very helpful,
very user-friendly.
Real simple to navigate.
It was a really straightforward, easy process from my perspective.
clean design.
Good uniformity throughout.
Pricing was phenomenal.
Very cost effective.
Communication was great.
I'm not a super techie guy, and they made it very easy for us.
We had Sandhills build our first website at Agrivision-LLC. When we decided to develop Construct Hub, the very first thought was let's go right back to Sandhills and have them duplicate what they've already done for us because we've been successful.
There were a lot of other Sandhills websites that Sandhills was able to show as an example of the work that they can do. So we could look at those examples and say, okay, this would be a great addition to our website, or maybe this is a good feature, but we need to adapt it to our business.
Kind of who we are, what we want it to reflect who we are.
I remember telling them that I kind of like to have it pretty visual. So they did on the homepage like pictures of the different categories of machines. You can click on that category such as track machine or wheel machine, and it's kind of a very quick, easy way to get to that category.
Everything is linked to Auction Time. So if anyone's looking on auctiontime.com at our seller list or item list, it's going to be mirrored on our website.
I think it only took 2 to 3 weeks.
Sandhills developers have a lot of experience.
Have Sandhills come in and be able to do that for us was instrumental for us.
Yeah, it was a really straightforward, easy process.
We're really happy with how the website turned out.